In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Weltrade to MT5. Now, if you're trying to link your account, I'm assuming you already do have a real or demo account on the Weltrade over here. I'm just going to showcase how to connect a demo account, but for the real account, it's exactly the same process. For this, you'll need your login credentials. So this is going to be the login, which is usually this number over here, as well as the password, which you received onto your email whenever you created your account, either real or demo, okay? So you'll need the password and this account number, and then you just want to download MT5 over here, or if you have it on your computer already as the program from the official website, you could just open that up, click on File top left, and then open an account. And in here, you want to look for Weltrade and click on Find Your Company, and it's going to find this over here, which is basically System Gates Limited, and it says Weltrade on the right-hand side. Just click on it and click on Next. And then here you want to click on Connect with an existing trade account, and this is where you basically have to put in your credentials. So for me, it is called my practice account number. This is inside my email. You want to paste that in, and then you also have to paste in your password. So if I just do that really quickly, there we go. And for me, I have a demo account. If you have a real one, just click Real over here, press Finish, and you're good to go. As you can see here, you've successfully linked your Weltrade account to MT5. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.